In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive tray icon not showing, aka backup and sync from Google. If your Google Drive icon has vanished from the corner of your screen, don't worry. It's often just hidden by Windows and can be brought back in a few clicks. We'll adjust your taskbar's system tray settings so the Drive icon is always visible and easy to access. Start by heading to your taskbar, the bar along the bottom of your screen. Right-click on an empty area of the taskbar to open the context menu. If you're on a touchpad, a two-finger tap works the same way. This is the quickest way to jump straight to the controls that manage which icons show up next to your clock. From the menu that appears, click Taskbar Settings. This opens the Settings app directly to the personalization page for your taskbar. You'll see options that control what appears on your taskbar, including the system tray area where app icons live. Next, look for System Tray Icons. This section controls whether individual app icons are visible on the taskbar. In some Windows versions, you might see wording like select which icons appear on the taskbar, but the idea is the same. It's the list of apps that can show an icon near the clock. Find Google Drive in that list. It may be labeled Google Drive or Google Drive for desktop, and older versions were called Backup and Sync. Once you've found it, toggle it on. As soon as you flip that switch, Windows tells the taskbar to keep the Drive icon visible rather than hiding it in the overflow area. After turning it on, look to the right side of your taskbar. The Google Drive icon should appear there. If your taskbar uses an overflow arrow to group icons, click that arrow to check the expanded tray. You can drag the Drive icon out of the overflow onto the visible area if your Windows version supports it. Keep in mind, this setting controls visibility only. It doesn't start or stop the app itself, but when Drive is running, the icon will now be easy to find for quick access to sync status, pausing, and preferences. That's all you need to do. By right-clicking the taskbar, opening Taskbar Settings, going to System Tray Icons, and toggling on Google Drive, you've restored the icon to your taskbar menu. If you ever want to hide it again, just return to the same setting and toggle it off. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Google Drive icon back where you need it.